there, my name is Dee, and I'm so very excited that you're here with me on this super sweet adventure. Today, I'm going to show you how I wowed my customer with this delicious 3-tiered purple elegance cake and additional keepsake cake for a 90-year-old celebration. One of the most exciting things about this cake was that I had to travel to complete it. I started the process in Texas by baking the layers of cake and making the buttercream, then traveling all the way to Florida for the big day. Space was a bit limited, but I was able to complete this cake in my studio hotel room. Here's a synopsis of how I did it. First, I leveled the cake with a serrated edge knife. Then I apply the frosting between each layer. Then I crumb coat the cakes and place them in the refrigerator. I complete this process with each tier of cake. Then I apply my final coat of frosting and place them in the refrigerator. I then cover each cake with a layer of fondant. I smooth each layer and ensure that the edges are straight. Now for the fun part, it's time to decorate. Then I added the fondant flowers that I made previously and the lights. I had so much fun designing this cake, and I appreciate you taking the time out to take this journey with me. I look forward to taking you along on my future cake baking adventures. Please comment with any questions that you may have, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to Super Sweet Treats for more exciting cake adventures.